Alright, if you have not subscribed, please do so right now. It's important for your subscription for the channel to grow. And if you want to see more great videos like this, please hit the notification bell so you will be notified when new content is uploaded. Big up on yourself.
Second for your job, what do you?
You're too fast, man.
You know, say you're my good friend, and you think you're going with you. See, you know. I see him to go with Darty, you know. Darty and himself, you know. You see, if me did it, it's time to actually ask how I go on. You alright?
Me and the boy nearly kill me over there, yeah.
But I tell you, you know, if I'm before you and a man today, me I look here, you know. I'm your friend for a long time, but every time you tell me, say, you go match your friendship. But I think, say, see, man, we have to deal with if you be your best friend.
Me was son of one man now, so I better come with the foolishness.
Anyway, I don't have enough time to talk about that because I go go do some work. So, if I not you call me though, if you need any little thing.
You can't give me more money now, me go to doctor.
Yeah, I go do. Give me account number, I send the money to your account.
Me run left everything I boy yard, master.
Look like hard life left on you. Buy something. Where go do? You have a number right down in the yard. So no matter if you even take your phone or anything, call me and get a new account number. I send some money to you. You go fix your back. What I say?
I must call you.
Yeah, man. So you know, I come every quarter, some work never deal with. And right now, good for no say out of relationship and you're not dead. K could and dead. You see? So my time who want pretty girl, who no want them. Me a friend, you know, so I can't tell them the things say when me want you. Because a woman like you, mother second down with them baby myself, you know. That's your wildness, you know. And you better go up to work for you know, that come stay and one bag or something. But anyway, say, now go up on some farmer program overseas and come back. If anything can't pull, you know, so when I did my record something for your set speed. But I go and come. But me make you know I come back.
Yeah, man, I see how.
But woman say yes when relationship start, and man say when relationship done. Most of the time in Jamaica. So when you say you left him, in a film man, me know say alright now, yeah, I'm not left. Cause you see, me look for you know. You see the reason why me want you. I see me reason why I go left you. You see a clean skin there. You know what I mean? I mean, so when you wear tights and road black and one bag of something, you know, I know say you have something good there. But I don't know why you just can't take care of you and love you and not lick you. But anyway, enough of that. I can't really appreciate now. I'm late to go, man. But anyway, I'm glad to see you, my friend.
Yeah, man.
Hold tight, I'm trying to myself, man. Your girl look good, you know, girl. You got to pass it, dolly, you know. Do life of yourself, man, and smile up. You hear me?
Alright.
Alright, later.
Come on.
Hello, mommy. Hello, mommy. Be a minute now. My God. Excuse me. You see, I don't mean to be rude, you know what I mean? Because I don't want to disturb the day, but a person like you would really do me a great honor, you know what I mean? Just spend a little minute with me, just 1 minute more.
First thing, this had throw me off. Man, I dig out the hand me go. And then again, I don't want a man, and I don't entertain no man. Last man, when I go me all into, nearly most me could walk. So, I'm not interested.
Just calm down, man. You see, I am not the typical brethren or brother or man we don't see. You know what I mean? He's a different kind of brother. I respect a woman for who she is, you know what I mean? Mind, body and soul. The last man me have, you know what? She couldn't deal with my peace, so she beat me up. You know what I mean? Nearly tear me in pieces.
I say every man say them different. There is no different from the rest of man them. Good brother.
I know you're good because I guess I know you look good. But alright, here I'm going to do still. I'm going to see you next time. Just mark my face. I mean in public here. Public report. Public with a K. Everything going to be okay. 1 minute at a time again, I must want.
Oi.
I want.
You think you could have moved
for me now.
Relax.
You think you can deal with me? See, you want to deal with my friend and then this me and a bit.
Yo, where you going with? Where you there, sir? You know what? I'm a girlfriend this side, you know. When you see her, you left her alone, you know. Come on, baby girl. Yo, when you see her, you know, female woman is annoying, you know. Yes, sir?
You can't let go for me now.
Let me see your life.
You can't let go for me now. Thank you.
Alright, you are going now, you know what I'm saying? It's to save your life. You know what I mean? That's something to be a part of your life, you know.
And I appreciate that, but me tell her, I can't blow the man thing.
No, don't worry yourself, man. I'm a different man. So just put it on my phone. I'm not a stalker. Yeah? Just I'll call you.
Sweet, yeah.
Alright, thanks. So, are we going now? You going?
Yeah, me I go home.
Alright, go on. And keep safe here.
Yeah, thanks again.
Alright. I'll call you later.
No problem.
Two son me get down here, you know.
Me? In cutie, man.
You say man favor me.
One of them that day.
Mm.
Me see you that one.
Hold on, my WhatsApp a girl.
At ya, at.
Yo, send the little girl come now, man. Me dip on the ends now, man.
Me hear a song we put out what day and it sound good.
Yeah, man, me feel go hard, man.
Mm-hmm.
You them a grow up, you know.
Boy, I go, boy, are you this? Hello, good as I do.
Yo, Jota.
And I look like
Yo,
Where you going?
I'm there, you know.
Auntie sent me to you, you know.
What auntie I deal with?
She said me go and drop off something.
Where you drop off? All this for?
If you get a TV, 43-inch TV,
Okay. How much this?
60. She has say, since you have a key, you have to just buy it and put it in your house and lock it up.
Me do that then, man.
Uh,
So where you are going with differently?
there, you know. I know what I road me I will deal with something for myself.
Oh, it works.
Yeah, man.
So, yeah.
Yeah, man, later.
Right.
Mama.
Alright.
So auntie go on, man. And she and them not send no bus fare from go to courts, you know. Them for the walk go to courts, all them things say me have money.
You must have it, man. Richie show for her.
I'm showing them bill for it.
What do you, man? Me no want. You're a good man.
Oh, you believe me? Okay, alright.
Anyway, you know I say I cut still.
Where I go?
I go home, you know. I go deal with something. I go see you back. I come back on the road.
Say how then?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So this morning I have a new worker coming in, you know.
Yeah, man, today?
Yeah, man. Today she'll be coming in today because you know that the wifey won't be coming back until 8 months time, and I need help with the baby, so she'll be assisting with the baby. But I want to make one thing clear, that I don't want any one of you to deal with each other, because that sort of thing in my house won't work.
No,
So hold on. I just want to
me.
make it clear to you, and when she come, I'll make her know too.
No, boss, not worry about that, boss. No, sir. I work, I come out for work, you know. You understand me? I say me have my woman in my yard. No, sir, no fraternizing. You don't have to worry about that, boss. You know what I mean? So you can trust me. A long time I have yard now. I come out for chop and trim.
Alright, I'm glad we're on the same page, you know, so.
Yes, boss. Come on, then.
Yeah, man, I'm glad we're on the same page.
Yes, boss.
But I have something that I wanted to do. I wanted to go down in the town. You see, remember that 5,000 that I gave you yesterday?
Yes,
you have
boss.
changed it, right?
No, I still have 5,000, boss.
Okay, so here's what I want.
Yes, boss. I have
Okay,
5,000.
okay.
Yes, boss.
Alright, so I wanted to go down in the town and get some nail to nail up the dog cub in the back.
Right.
Alright?
Right now. Nail. Nail for dog coop. Nail for dog coop for the boss. Yes, boss. Anything else?
No man, that's it man, that's it.
Alright, boss. Respect that, man. Yeah, boss.
Yeah man.
Let's move forward, boss. Yeah, boss.
Alright, yeah man. Hello, good afternoon.
Hi, Mr. Brown.
Yes, good afternoon. May I ask who's calling?
This is Kira, the girl that is supposed to come for the interview for the work.
Okay, okay. Alright, I am home now, you know, so you can come by.
Alright, in the next 10 minutes.
Alright then, not a problem.
Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Yeah man, you can come and have a seat. Alright, so firstly, you say your name was again?
It's Kira.
Kira, okay. Do you have any experience as a nanny? Because I have a 18-month-old baby, you know, baby girl.
Yes, I have 8 years experience.
I'll need a job letter from your previous employee, a reference letter, and make sure you get the passport picture stamped by a JP. Gather all those information that I need, and then as soon as you bring them and they're up to standard, then you can start, alright?
Alright, no problem.
Alright, and one more thing. I have a handyman who will work alongside you here to take care of anything that you can manage. But one thing I want to make clear though, no fraternizing. And if you don't understand what that means, it means that I don't want anybody that works for me to sleep with each other.
No man, that not gonna happen. I don't sleep with my co-workers.
Alright, so it was nice meeting you, Kira, alright?
Alright, Mr. Brown, thank you very much.
Yeah, man.
Wagwan. Are you the new worker?
Yeah, I'm here the new worker. And you must be the handyman?
Yeah, man, I'm a handyman. I can give you a lot of helping hand, you know what I mean? Yeah. I'm there a long time now, so I can show the ropes, you know what I mean?
No, me alright, me can manage.
Give me a name now. Because I don't know your name, you just walk in, you know what I mean? Suppose a rose a name. I can be the one for, you know, trim the bushes them, you know? Make sure the thorns them well cut off.
I know what you're doing now. I'm in a way you're in a car. The boss tell me say, I not to deal with none of my co-worker them when they here.
Yeah, no, man, don't misinterpret what I said to you. You know what I mean? We're there as I work as a family. You know, so I have to take care of certain things and we gotta work together. Don't follow the boss, man. Boss, you alright. Boss, you know, say, him like when things work in order. He's a, you know what I mean, he's a principled person.
Alright, me I go in because I'm supposed to be there from 8 o'clock. So I take time going. We talk to you later.
Watch ya. Jota, how you pass me, sir? No, Sam, you ain't live, so.
No, I'm not sure I go on, man. I truly don't have to build up this, you see.
Come here one day if me ain't a malice make you pass me, sir.
Not like that, man. Show a lot of stuff there for my brain, you see me? Give me a light there.
But you a lot of stuff there for your brain.
Where are they, sir?
No, say I drink out of one rum cream, yeah. I don't touch in. But then after that. Yo, I tell you rich in idea, yeah. Make ya. Watch your man look trash.
I think say I'm a truck suit them here.
Trash.
Where are they with?
Yo, you know, say between me and you, I'm running a one look of bankruptcy. I don't know if I could have lend me a piece of money. You know, I want 70 grand for borrow. Or I want 60 grand in idea to deal with something.
And money like that, if you lend nobody. I'm an anti-money me have for buy the flat screen TV.
Yo, come like a God send a Jota. You know, say you're a real lifesaver. So you don't lend me anti-money then, man. Because I really need the money.
Feel any anti-money? Yeah, that sound like problem, man.
Oh, that fi sound like problem. And what day you done this and me here when your family come give money. And you tell me say your auntie not ready for that money there yet.
Suppose me lend your auntie money now. And same time she come feed. What am I gonna do?
Yo, Jota, you know say that now. Plus your auntie have money can't done. She not ready for that TV there.
Alright then, if you say so. $60,000 this, you know. You see? I'm one about 5 penny.
Me I go make you get it back. Me make you get back everything.
with interest.
Make sure, you know.
Me I make you get back in 5. Yo, respect, brother. You not even know what you do for me right now.
Me have a mission for David. Go and drink out your rum cream.
Alright, big up.
Yeah, chat me out if you win the game.
Are you play now? Crown, put the crown on that. See a crown there? Put the pant up on that.
Why?
Alright, sorry. No, so. You know, say, me a friend for a long time. You know what I mean? But me say, new man will pick up and buy them things and them fandangos, yeah. But you live down so. You know, say, your mother call me and tell me, say, they do a man who beat you.
Beat me? You see man that beat me? Man can't beat me. I'm run my show and a man run my show. I'm in a run around this yard there. I'm me rule man. So not take them chat in the front of nobody. I play if you play a game, because right now you get me iggy.
Them say you licky, you know. Them say that all these fandangos things that you have here. You take lick and kick feed. You sacrifice yourself. I don't see, I don't have a night. Let's go and check and see.
I know see a Cheryl tell her them things there, you know. I know to God, you know. See a she come here that chat up, you know. And a fast you come for fast too, you know. Because you know, say you know, normally there some more while. A fast you come for fast in my business.
And your sister tell me nothing. I say your mother tell me, because your sister maybe tell her mother then. If somebody know, say I get licked. Shh. How what?
The bike.
What the bike?
My bike can go on today.
Your man the pan bike?
Yeah man, but I don't know man, but I don't want to see me.
So your man go, what? Why you want me to hide? Why?
No man, you don't want to look no way man, you don't know the thing said.
You don't follow me in the house, you go look at prayer way.
Come man, and tap your phone.
You go to me and your cousin.
Come man.
No, what I do? No,
Yes, sir.
that's a car, my car door, sir.
No, right this one.
Me too big for this, sir.
That's why you say I go come.
No, you gonna come here, sir. But this can't hold me, it's coming bigger. Yo, you see this here? The man have gun. The man have no gun, you know.
So make you come, your security, you know?
No man, food me never start.
Food didn't start cook.
I come home so early.
So me come home so early. I know yes I live. This man I live in place. Me I pack my bag to go to work. A three job I do, you know, 3 job. And guess I know I left my bag here so with the clothes and I couldn't even remind me to pick up my bag. What you do here? What your purpose here, sir? Hey, tell me what I want. What you there for? What your purpose? Me not understand. I want you to play loot draft. I don't even know the backside name. Kind of. Your sister, me not play them game here. I don't even know what the blinking game name. What is name? What is? What you do from there? Look on the place, look. A 3 job me do, you know. I mean I try to go start on the work. Hey, let me tell you this. A whole heap of work me do for just to maintain you, you know.
Remember say me a woman in the want somebody to talk to.
You want to talk to people? What you think you be? You think you run this? You think you, hey. Put your ball, hey. You know how to run this? You don't know how to run this. You know how hard me have to work to take care of you? I'm not going to prison for you today. Tell them a place. They can please that man lick up my foot. Tell them a place. Backside wall. I'll come back later and see all the places look bad. Fix them a place. Peace and room things.
I can't believe it. How you say man not beat you?
He not beat me.
That the box me a while ago. Not tell me say now and drape up and shake you. I'm born with you and deal this up.
Like it rough.
Listen to me. You see because of sweets, you don't go around teeth. Oh no. Because you look young girl like you know say you couldn't do like your sister. Your sister got a market. Him buy car, he buy anything or sell it and he look at and start to look at board house. But you want in a wall. Shh.
Go on now. Me have things I go do. Go on now.
I go left you alone, you know.
Go on, man.
Make him murderation you.
Go on.
I will come visit in the hospital. We come visit in the hospital. I see what your mother say.
Go on, man.
Alright.
Yo, yo, auntie a forward and more of the money now, you know.
Yo, hear what me I say? Think say me can borrow a piece of food. More time me can get in idea. I'm not sure still, you know. But me can try see if me can borrow money from one of my friends. I make her get it.
It's look like a problem,
Give me
though, you
till
know.
about 6 o'clock.
I 2 weeks now, me lend the people them money. Auntie I come from foreign, she want to see a flat screen in her house.
How are you, man? You soon get the money, man.
6 o'clock me I come circle here, you know.
Alright.
Drink your juice, please, please. Don't cry, please. Alright. Here, drink your juice. Naughty baby, don't you cry. Mama gonna buy you a lullaby. If that lullaby don't work.
Cuz,
Hey, Wagwan. Drink your juice.
yo, you know some day in a one little situation.
Well, on there, me
Okay,
carry
spot.
baby go. Me soon come back. Me carry baby go put her to sleep. Cause she a cry.
Do it now.
Come on, baby. Layla, 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 Layla. Get up out of the seat, girl.
Me tired.
So where say you going now?
Right about now, a 60 grand more and borrow from you, you know. I don't know where you stay. But I don't want a spot right now.
60 grand? Who you borrow 60 grand from?
Yo, you know, say one of my friend me borrow money from, borrow 60 grand from him. And tell him, say, him go get it back. Cause I auntie money him borrow, you know. When if you buy one TV with right now, him man mad.
Girl, if I'm me in that situation, you don't know what me do yard boy with around here every minute when he get in partner jar. Me just take it from him and give him little sex. And squeeze out back in partner jar every minute.
What?
Right now, he slow down and he say one buy one car and no one can buy that. And me take him money and invest it and I look my little land. Just give him little of this something, squeeze out back in 60 grand.
No, girl. No, sir, that's not my style. Me can't do that. 60 grand? $1 million so me carry, you know. 60 grand? Me can't do that. You lend me money or what? And you come to you, my cousin. You must can lend me 60 grand and help me.
Well, you're dep on your own. I don't know what you're going to do. Anyways, me I come hurry up and go in before baby wake up and drop off on the bed. You sort out your 60 grand problem later.
Really, girl? Cuz. Yo. Juta. Hello. Hello.
Yeah,
What going?
where you going now? You have money to give me now.
No, sir, you know, say, I know that me I call you about me not have money, you know. But me I cook your favorite soup. Somebody that invite you for you come over, make me you have some lunch, you know. And reason.
You say money you call me for, girl.
Me know about different plans.
Alright, me a forward, because I don't know when you boil them soup there, no.
Yeah, tell
Me a
her.
forward.
Alright, hurry up. Who is it?
A Juta.
What's up? You don't say boat just land. Right
Yeah,
time.
good, you know, man. Alright, me a there on so.
Yeah. So land. So how much flour you want?
Just put good amount of flour, man. Just give me 2 bananas in it and piece of yam too.
Alright.
Alright. Yo. So you couldn't take out the scary and them for me, man. I want you, man.
Sure, you can take them out, man. May I come back? May I come?
How will it for?
Babes, I know say you to recover this okay mango. So I give you.
Oh, thanks.
And what I say me that go get to wash off one it, you know.
They want enough for you. They want enough for mommy. Me get them for mommy especially. Because I guess I know. Me order some stringy for you, some bunchy. You know them little one there? About 3 dozen that come down. So when the 3 dozen come, you can get half dozen and you know we work it out. But them I want you, I for mommy.
So babes, you really gonna put them over for me? Can't get one of mango, man.
Let me tell you this, man. You see, them a mango here, and you see my mother come first. You understand? But not really put your ear upon a mango. I understand you say you want one of them, but not that time. Yeah. When the bunch of them come, I feel that. But as I said before, my mother come first. Babe, where my bag there? Come here, figure up on the road, you know. Which part your bag there?
See your bag over there.
Bag over there, sir. Alright, maybe just. Me go buy shop the fast and go buy one go sit down. Come on.
Alright.
If you think you're bad, put your mouth. Just bite it. Me tell you already. Me not tell you some mother mango. One to you. Yo, me can't bother. Yo, I say when the bunch come in and get none of them. I bet you get none of them mango them. The mango say one, but you can't get them too. Yo, left off of this. Yo, give me, yo.
See your bag there.
So me can't take it. You know, for go and work, you know. I'm not bother carry the bag of bags. Yo, look come on. Good morning.
Morning.
How you doing?
Good.
You can pass my shit for me because I have something to chop out of yard, that's all.
Teacher?
This morning, I see the mango here, I said to myself, say, boy, I just can't stop thinking about you. And say, you know, you don't do well with some East Indian mango. You eat East Indian mango?
Yeah, my favorite.
Wow. Yeah, man, it's the mango here, they're very expensive. But guess what? Nothing is too expensive to buy something for a woman who I like. You know what I mean? So you want them?
Yes, thank you.
Oh my God. So, let's go and do your thing. Here, come here, I'll get my thing up and running. Because boss man soon might forward to you know.
Alright.
Here? Alright, cool. Look like you like your mango. It's sweet, yeah?
Yeah, man, it's nice.
Yeah, man, if it's sweet, yeah, man, you know? Because guess what now? When you give me a number, you know, so me can talk differently, you know? So just make sure, say, you see as sweet as a mango sweet, some make a sweet, you know? Yeah, man, so guess what now? Just tell me now, tell me. Just punch you, punch your finger.
I don't see how you go on with it.
Where you coming in my room just so far?
Don't say nobody in there, no, because you're single for one day.
No, little knock.
I don't say you have nobody there, man. You don't like to say there's nobody. You know, take your man clothes out, yeah.
I hear style that. You dirty dog, you. So what go on?
There all the time. So I go and find your good ass.
What for you go on? Beat out, man.
Who beat out?
I mean,
I beat you out.
no work.
You working now?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of work you doing now?
I work in a restaurant, you know.
You don't know if some my girl that want to come back.
You see a man with that cheat by you when you nearly get a jacket?
Yeah.
Oh, man. So you gotta take that.
You see, if she did cheat with somebody different than my own cousin, let me that consider to take her back. Plus the jacket on top of it. Now I'm gonna work still. You know what I mean? You just don't know who to trust.
But for you, you love your brothers, them, man. You always love them.
How long since you have a friend?
Around 12 years.
So we are looking like at school and something. But we never there.
I make cool never there from a little. I pay a mad girl, kete, dirty foot girl I used to party with. I never in that.
I party with Angie, I party with Susan, I party with you. So if you say a beer, you have to put beer scatter foot and bury bad guy must talk. Then I say good night too. Because I was to party with.
Me used to party with you, not girl.
I feel that it's not too late still. When I did them, we can do a thing.
Me glad I saw when I did them. But I don't know.
I want to remember that reason. I said, look why you did that girl. You're not a girl that friend for how long? Why can you never die cheat? Instead of all these girls that you choose, why can you never choose her? But I tell me, mom, remember saying, you know, when she was young, you know, she wouldn't look like a fitness suffer from malnutrition. She wouldn't look like bony. But now she grew up in such a lovely lady. I mean, I was a tight friend. I mean, I think it's kind of rough. I don't know if she look for me that way there. There was my time she eyes me till now. So I tell my mother, but I laugh off it still. But I think about it, I'm going to be and I say, yeah, I won't joke about it. But it could be a good idea.
You can't tell your mother so. Because nobody never ugly like you when you go to school. Where girl used to call you? When I used to call you, Monkey Fire, I saw you get the name. So don't come go on like you want bright up yourself. If I compare you, if you left with me, I make me go and drink and go and do your business.
Call me ugly? Maybe not remember right, man. A June of them is say that about. I mean them is a call. Flex. Because I have that style, I can dance, I can sing, I can... You know, them is a call me enough depend name, but not ugly. But don't it down. Don't have for that now. Different from that now. You say I compare, yeah? Remember you tell me, you know, I have a friend, you know. So you tell me, say, when the man they want to get your honey, this is what they use. So if I give you this now, I mean, no, say, you're single now. Mother torture you. Torture me like a dove here, you jump up and down. And well, this is a good idea, though. And my number alone in your phone by now, I think. Yeah, man, you know what, drink tobacco.
Me have what for use?
No, not again. You're good enough to go to yard. No, not. Keep yourself to yourself until the right time, man. But different from that, though. We'll see you later. There are two parties I go on tonight. I want to go on the beach. I want to keep elsewhere. I think the Bourbon Beach party would have shot more because, you know, more space. You know, I can't take crowd. I sit up on the sun, listen to music, go to the bar 1 or 2 times and buy some liquor and just stand up with all the vibes. Because long time I don't go out, you know. A lie me tell you?
That's not a lie.
Long time I don't go out. You see the man they pick up out there, but they have box around, like a football kick around. That's a good thing I left him.
Boy, if I know, say my business is the one, you know. But through me and General, I'm going to tell you. So me and the man they just meet. And the man they treat me like a queen. That the man they build up a little place and give me in no time. The man have me good. When things start, you know, bonus and I say, Cho, you can't go on the road by protecting yourself. I realize they have a condom and travel. So I say that's a good thing. But when I confront the man one time about it, the man give me one lick across my face, brother. And when he give me a lick across my face, we make up back for it tonight so smooth. The man nice, man carry me out the next day, dinner, everything we go. And I say, alright then, sometimes things are for rough. Things are for rough also. But then the man start get worse and worse and take it for one piece of habit. I have to come out of it and take everything right now. I don't even know if I come back and come kill me.
Well, no worry yourself about that, man. What time is it I touch you tonight?
Can't touch you about 10 o'clock, man.
So I could do that then, no, man.
So let's be comparing, no, man.
Listen, no, man. I said this is the thing I make it honey. Things up. I go down and talk buy one suit or something for a party tonight. You know what I mean? All the vibes. You know where you go. What you say?
If you're not give me compare, go on.
But okay, I come and dance tonight. Stand up. You can't stand up. Yo. Come here where the beach is. Yeah. See him better left, man. That girl a drink and junk to come back. If you not drunk, they come pie, you know. You come pie Red Bull. And then you mix on the rum. Yo, you got one Alpine head in there up here. Oh, come pick up right now. Ah. You see you're turning here next time. You're a long time to come out the road. Tell you, if you not drink so much something, you know. No, so you don't look on the road, you know. You see, come by the way you drink, you don't know. You make them dear. Come here, you know. So you have to drink so much liquor, you know.
I just advise, man.
You have to come by, carry back like come by. Not to drink a whole life. One step, go down to the girl and come back, half the back. You're not chasing them. You want to drink?
No, Sam, I'm going to drink Campari. It's fire, tapping eyes and come.
Oh.
Fire, man. What we naked?
What? What happened last night?
And you tell me what happened last night?
I remember we did a party last night, you did head top. I don't remember nothing more. I want a taxi budget that you carry come. I don't remember nothing more. Last thing we do, I never want nothing at all.
I'm going to put on my clothes and come left.
Where you go left go? Now you live here. Look like you're still high now. You see the drink again, but you may tell if you not drink.
Why you come out then?
Go and put on some clothes, man.
Come out, man.
You don't wake up with it.
Go your yard, man. Because if you let me off, if you say me defrost, you could have got your yard. Go on your yard.
When me carry come here, I'm fresh more than you know.
No, fire me know you when me and you go. Fire go on no man.
You know, say take advantage of me last night. I drink 2 bottles, you know. I 2 bottles I drink, you know. I mean, no, say I drink, look at Campari. Oh shit. The Campari, you drink. You tell me, so anytime you drink Campari, your body call. So me come over here now, he said, I go, you know, and you pull me down the job, I go, left me.
Fire go on man.
How do we test this man? I'm going to my yard, for beer and something, and them come back and pick you up.
Fire go on make me go sleep man. And me head haunt me.
We do something with you though. We can't test how do something, because I feel like it's something spraying. Like one side like that. Really cheap.
Can't believe.
Listen.
Loser fire man.
Right, I'm telling you now. I have to know what going on last night. Sometimes I make me enjoy, if it did nice or whatever. We make fun of one serious story, but life is life. You feel now, yeah?
Fire me not going at that. Go on man.
Alright, I'm going to get your sleep. Call me. This don't affect nothing. You're still my best friend. Don't go up here. I don't know. Borrow that slippers, you hear? You can't put on something. But so no here.
Where are you? Hide from me?
Hide from you for? What me I hide from you for?
So you know say time now to get the woman money.
What do you mean time to get back woman money? You forgot to you forgot to call you over my yard. Give you good proper soup and then give you good proper love.
Who did tell me I quit out nothing?
Hold on. What do you mean?
Girl, me no want to, me never do no woman nothing, you know. Come man, come give me people the money, because I don't want to get no trouble, you know.
So hold on. You feel like say little loving and the soup on me gear, call you over my yard. Good treatment. Was for free? You're lucky say all 60 grand too. Cause that ain't nothing comparing to my good millions and up.
Me the ask your feet. You tell me say you borrow people the money. That was the plan. I know look how you move, shaky. Everything good, you know.
Everything I feel good.
I know one way for hang dog, you know. I don't mean really hang, you know. Because I make you know that. You hear me say, everything good, man.
How did this man? How I feel, see?
Sister. Sis.
How that?
You don't know my voice, you mean say how that?
Cheryl,
Yes.
may I come?
How you there do so?
May I come? Come.
Oh God. And what you doing now so?
Just there watch one show.
So sister. And what could I make you have on dark glass at the time of night? Yeah?
The lighting.
Light. Anyway, give your sister a hug. Long time you see. So what do you?
Come man.
No man sister, come sit down. This not look right. This not sun right.
Yes man.
Oh man, this no. Come, nobody hide it, because you can't hide it from me, because I know you too well. What really go on? Take on that face. What do your face? Girl, talk to me, what do your face? No man, you touch your hand, your eye.
No, sister. Pain up man.
Who do you this?
In a bathroom, you drop in a...
You drop in a bathroom. Look for me good. Look like big head butt to you. So you drop in a bathroom and you don't lick no head. You don't lick your head. You don't lick your hand. You lick your eye. And it looks so, come on. You can't fool me. And I need to know who do this. Because something I have to go on because you know me. And I can't say I hide things from me girl. Because if you don't call me and tell me this. And I know say something wrong else. So make me know what go on. What go on? What do you eye? Who do you this?
The bathroom me drop in a sissy never dry.
You know, say a girl that take me for a big fool though. I mean, now if I tonight you tell me how I go on, you know. Just learn that even if I sleep over here, I sleep over here. But you can't take me for fool. Feel last time, sister, what do you eye? Go watch her.
No,
listen to me, man. Me not like them and stop me.
You can't sleep over here because Dickie go come and you don't want
Nobody
nobody
here.
here.
Dickie, you know. Because me feel say that same Dickie that do you say, you know. And you not tell me.
Surely I have to go on before Dickie
You know,
come.
say a long time me have a bad feeling about that Dickie there. Go on before which Dickie come.
A Dickie do it, but you have to go on before you come. You don't want nobody here, Cheryl.
Listen to me. Dickie I go down 6'6", so that me have to tell you. Because my little sister now go so. You hear that? Alright. So make Dickie come. Make him come. Jar my space. Because I know me not left us tonight.
Dickie a call.
Dickie a call? Let me come nearer.
Dickie? Yeah?
Hello, you Mr. Dickie. Let me tell you something. You see wherever you're there tonight, you better make sure you sleep there. You may tell you come in and left you so. If you say you do my sister go so, you not go down the drain. Just make sure you sleep where you're there. Alright, me done talk. What is? You think me a fool?
Cheryl.
Me no want to hear nothing. Because you're not no man go. You understand? There's no reason. He might go and tell me why him do this to you. There's no reason for him do this to you.
But Cheryl, look. Look, when me looking at the ceiling at the boats.
Hey, listen, you could have been looking at the ceiling and the sky. No man not supposed to put their hand on my little sister. You understand? Even if you're comfortable and at this, you cannot go left. Well, you go have to leave him alone.
Cheryl, me like it
leave
rough.
you alone. Once me alive, me don't talk.
Me like it rough, Cheryl. Alright, when you come in then, do we take a beating?
Do we take beating? Come like you not even know what kind of sister you have and you see I'm big and strong. Me I sit down and make no man beat me. You must be mad. Like you don't know who me.
Cheryl, go on your bed.
What time?
Go on your bed, Cheryl,
Make
man.
him come.
Because you just mess up my life. Cheryl, you just mess up my life.
Me I mess up your life. How am I still on that bed? Good. Make him come tonight. Let's see who got it beaten.
Hi, Mr. Brown.
Good morning, Crystal. Please don't answer the phone like that. You know, say I call you to tell us I have to go fire you.
Why, Mr. Brown? Why?
Because the workers them down at the workplace, I say, you and them not getting along, and also you go walk and tell everybody say, you're part owner in our business, and how me and you there. Listen, Crystal, me never really want you, you know, I'm not want to say it make it sound so bad. And you push up yourself for me, you know. You push up yourself for me, and me tell you, say listen, me and you are going to do little something, but just keep it under quiet. You know, so me and my wife, even though she's not there, she's there foreign. And I can't believe, say, you walk and tell everybody in the office.
I lie them a tell.
Lie them a tell, and listen. Me go fire you, and we see last time me do what we do, we now can't do it again. Because we never know say you're mad, man.
I'm not mad.
Alright, Crystal, later, alright?
Hello, I'll see you on Monday. Hello, miss. How can I help you? You can't just come in my place, so. Alright, I'm Mr. Brown's girlfriend. I'm here to look for my stepdaughter. Hello, miss. Mr. Brown, no tell me about nobody I come look for stepdaughter and about girlfriend. So I can't let any people in the house like that. Me and Mr. Brown girlfriend, and if me want come in, you can't stop me. I want to you. You're just the helper. Excuse me.
Oi, I want really have gone so. Crystal.
Hello, tell her to let me in.
Crystal.
Tell her to let me
Alright, calm down. Crystal. Me done tell her say, me fire you already. Where you do me yard?
Hello. You can't fire me. Basically, once I get all this good, we stop to life till death do us part. I want to you.
Crystal, me explain everything to you until I say, yo, I have my wife. I'm not intend to have a relationship with nobody else. And you force yourself for me. I know you're going like you want to take over my house, you want to take over my workplace. Listen, me no want to take out a restraining order upon you. Please, left out of me yard.
Richie, you can't just fire and hire me. We take care of baby in the household. Everything will go good.
You know what? I'm convinced you're a mad woman. Come out of me yard. Come out of me yard.
Where baby there?
Come out of me yard.
Watch what I'm going to tell him, say you rape me. Watch.
Me have to take out a restraining order upon you
I tell
first.
him, say you rape me. Watch.
So you're going with?
Yes, I'm going straight to the place.
Show me place.
You know, so I see that shirt here. I see 2 shirts in your bag and I take out one.
You can't get that one. I'm a boss. Give it 2. And me have to go drop off the next one. This is one enough for you. Don't worry about that one. That one is alright. So you say I go on with?
Me not just tell you.
I want to you. Raise the voice at me?
No.
Go and go do what you do. Do what you do.
Alright.
Matter of fact, you know what I'm saying? Go get a shower. Get a little shower, auntie. I want them. Oh, you have crackers on the... What crackers up on the bed? Crackers?
You leave you when
I raise a voice at me? Eh? That's why I put hands in my bed sometime I crash for me. You have to shape my locks. Take up my crackers, man. You're going to be it, you know. I'll take a shower. But, yo, that shirt here, you can't get that shirt here. Just know that. I'm told you. I was supposed to buy you. I drink out my beer to you. Sure. I'll be it, you know.
Sit around with me. You left you open for. I'm on the girl there. When can I? It was. What kind of picture them here? Panny man, big old dirty king size bed. Kira.
I got work in so we talk to you here.
Alright, B.
Hello?
Dickie.
Hello?
You not hear me?
You not hear now. Where's your going?
Oh, where you there?
You know, someone just let me turn around Mr. Brown there. Mr. Brown work, and I'm going to my second workplace now. Everything alright?
Yeah, mom, just like check up on yourself, everything alright with you on the road.
Okay, yeah, man, I'm on the road, I match up some stuff, man. You know what I mean? So let's go and do a thing. Make sure you cook some food and all them something.
Yeah,
okay,
man.
baby?
Yeah, babes, love you too.
Alright, love you. Bye-bye.
I left Mr. Brown go over the two girl right now. Not even there, but me a fighter. They will come bail me. Cause me I got a prison today. Go on my boy phone, one up on your kid picture, girl a text him me yard when walk. Him a there with the nanny. And me I go over the tea them, me know a girl face everything, me not have to ask no question. Me don't know what that thing give me bone with. Come then.
Oh.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Miss Kira.
Oh, you know my name?
Oh, I know your name. I'm a friend of a friend, man. You know Dickie?
I don't know my name, sir.
You don't know my name, Dickie? Girl, you don't know who name. Ah! You don't know who name. Dickie, I take me man of all my man shot. I don't want to kill you in here. I don't want to kill you. I don't want to kill you in this. I don't want to kill you. Yes, man. They palm me, man. They wanna send picture. Come on, mommy, girl. Come on, mommy, girl. Boy, I send picture. Boy, I send this. Boy, I send that.
What want to say? What about that man? What want to say?
You must know me, no bossy.
Yeah, me know you, but what want to say?
You know, say me and Dickie are there. Imagine Dickie I'm going around them say something is wrong. Dickie can't talk on his phone around me. Dickie can't talk on his phone or nothing at all around me. When me going at the phone? Miss your helper. Me don't know what she be here. Pan your bed. In front of your pitney, some video, some picture in the phone and nothing good.
Please, not tell me say like. More want see video, you know, because me trust you with my baby, you know, and that this in front of me picking I do. No man, where video them? More want see.
Think of that bad. And on your bed, she there gone with herself.
Jesus, no man. Me have to go fire you and Dicky.
Boss, I lie. She tell for me, bossy. I lie.
So hold on, I would have panic video.
I know me.
Papa.
I know you walk and try, don't brush.
Hold on. Are you violate, I just come fight in my yard because you couldn't come talk to me. So come out of my place. And try to tell Dicky if you don't come back and work, you know, because he may not know what job there. Come on.
My girl, let me tell you this. What you going with? You're searching for them, I'm gonna lose my work. I'm gonna lose my work, girl. I'm gonna take care of you. You really come to that place and go, I'm gonna lose. I fight, I'm gonna lose. What's up, man? You're bomb band. How is this? Yo, ease up, man. Ease up. Ease up. What is that? Yo, ease up for me. Come on for me. Ease up, man. Ease up. Ease up, man.
Please,
Ease up, man. Ease up, man. You can't understand this, I know. What make sure I go and stand on my place? Yo, let's do the king.
If you're watching me at the end of the video, it simply means you have watched the entirety of the video. So thank you for sticking around and watching the video. Thank you very much. And if you watch a video and you have not subscribed, don't come off this video without subscribing, because your subscription is important for the channel to grow. Remember, subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend about the channel. All right? Yeah, man.